Boom, what it do, YouTube? It's your boy Akar back with another video, man. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how you can find your own style. How to find your own style, how to curate your own style for anybody starting out, or for anybody that's getting back into fashion, or anybody that wants to just kind of learn something new, you feel me? Or refresh your memory on some things, because I know some of y'all probably already know these things, you feel me? Or they've been in the back of your head and nobody else has told you, like, yo, maybe you should do this, and you be like, dang, I thought about that, you feel me? Because I'll be having those moments too. I'll be thinking, like, I listen to some videos and I hear somebody say something, I'm like, I thought about that before, but I never heard nobody else say it, you feel me? So this is one of those videos where I just point it out to you, you feel me? And kind of help you navigate how to find your own style, you feel me? And yeah, man, I hope this helps somebody out there. But before we get into the video, make sure y'all like the video, comment a green apple in a comment section below. I'm gonna tell y'all to comment something else if you made it to the end of the video, and subscribe, you feel me? And yeah, man, without further ado, we finna hop right into that bit. Alright, y'all, so first things first, you want to learn your proportions. Everybody has their own proportions based on their own body type, you feel me? I feel like I've explained this in one of my videos before, but listen, based on your body type will tell you what exactly you should wear and where you should source your inspo from, you feel me? So me personally, I'm skinny and I have an inverted triangle body shape, you feel me? So I have really broad shoulders and I have like a narrow lower body, you feel me? So like that right there, that's literally like the foundation, because that even tells me like how I'm supposed to pose in pictures, what body parts I need to work out in the gym. Like, knowing your proportions can help you look good in a lot of areas, you feel me? So know your proportions, you feel me? After you know your proportions, you know how you need to navigate, what you need to even out, because after that, that's where silhouette comes into play. So silhouette is your shape, you feel me? It's your shape. So with that being said, I know this has nothing to really do with fashion, but it kind of do. I know that I need to go, when I go to the gym and work out, I know I need to work on my lower body to even it out with my default wider upper body. Like, my bone structure is an inverted triangle, so I need to build mass in my lower body, you feel me? So yeah, that's first things first. And then, like, when it comes to clothes, to make up for what I haven't really achieved in the gym, I opt out for baggier pants, you feel me? Chunkier shoes. I don't really go too bulky on the top unless I'm going really bulky on the bottom, and it creates a shape in your fit, you feel me? The silhouette is basically like the shadow, is your shadow. Basically, if you were to, it's basically just the outline of your fit, the shape. Basically, if you look in the mirror, how your clothes fit on your body, you feel me? And then however your clothes fit on your body, it can also tell you how you need to pose and etc, you feel me? But also, when it comes to silhouettes, I would try to create about 3 different silhouettes that fit with your body type. So like me, I have a couple silhouettes I go with. Actually, I have more than 3, I think. So usually I go with baggy pants. If I'm chilling, I'll go baggy pants, skinny top, or like, yeah, skinny top with like a jacket or something. I could take on and off the jacket, you feel me? Because my baggy pants complement my upper body. And then I'll either go track like shoe or boot, you feel me? And then that's like if I'm chilling. Like right now, I kind of have that on. I just threw a hoodie on under the jersey. You feel me? Other than that, I go skinny jean, boots, and then go like crop jacket or crop hoodie. And I usually go crop because my upper body have a shorter torso than most people. You feel me? I feel like it's gotten a little longer since I gotten older. But there's that. Sometimes I go flared pants. Then I go like slimmer upper body. So like a jacket alongside like workwear. Yeah, I'll go like workwear jacket, leather jacket, any type of like slimmer jacket, or fitted long sleeve, or boxy t-shirt. You feel me? I would usually do that up top. And I could really go any type of shoes. But usually for me, I make up. I could really wear anything because of my body type. And I just make up for it with my pants. You feel me? So I really have to focus on what type of pants I wear at all times, because that's where I lack at when it comes to my proportions. For bigger people, you kind of have like a oval shape or a rectangular shape. If you have a rectangular shape, you can really wear whatever, and it's you want to look right. You feel me? If you have a oval shape, you kind of want to minimize how big your upper body is, and try to opt out for like pants that'll complement the upper body, because you know you're probably bigger up top. So yeah, that's pretty much it right there when it comes to silhouettes. And then like if you have like a perfect body shape to where like your shoulders are aligned with your legs, and it really doesn't have to do with muscle mass and like how much you hit the gym. It more so has to do with like bone structure. So like however your bones are structured, like however your anatomy is, that's what you have to work with. You feel me? And you can make up for certain stuff either with clothes or in the gym. But that's all I'm gonna talk about when it comes to silhouettes and stuff like that, because it probably goes deeper than what I just hit on right then and there. Next up, you can focus on like color theory. Color theory kind of like sets the vibe of your fit. You feel me? Because like the fit that I have on it's colorful. You feel me? But I'd give off a whole different vibe if it was all black, or if it was all like a vintage wash color. You feel me? I give off a whole different vibe. So the colors that you play with play a big part. You feel me? Some people opt out for like a darker aesthetic. Some people do more so like colors. Some people do like primary colors. Some people do like just random colors. Like right now, bro, like I have on the most random colors, bro. I have on these shoes. Let me show y'all the pants. I had these on in my last couple videos, but these pants, gray, like I just got on random colors. But the colors that you wear sets like the tone, the mood of your fit. You feel me? So yeah, there's that. Now if you're the type to fit into one like tone of color, there's probably a lot more you can do with your wardrobe, because some colors just don't go together. You feel me? Like you can make it work, don't get me wrong, but it's a lot more work trying to make certain colors work versus if a whole bunch of your clothes are black, gray, white, and then like you might have a dark purple in there, a dark blue, and just a whole bunch of dark colors. You feel me? It's easier to work with those colors versus a whole bunch of just random colors. So it really sets the mood of not only your fit but your whole wardrobe. So people that are just starting out, I'd suggest you stick with a couple set of colors. Just don't like go crazy with the colors. Just try to stick to a couple colors. You feel me? So you can build your wardrobe up and you can expand out as you build. You feel me? Me personally, I just went in that bit just buying shit that I like. I ain't gonna lie. So it's a lot harder for me to build fits. You feel me? But if you feel like you're that type of person that can just build some fits, you feel me? Shit, do it. You know what I'm saying? I wouldn't advise it, but do it. You know what I'm saying? Next up, to help you put it all together and create new ideas and spark new inspiration for new fits, you want to source your inspiration from certain places. I know a lot of people source their inspiration from Instagram, Pinterest. You don't have to do that, okay? You don't have to source your your inspiration from the same place everybody sources theirs from, which results in everybody looking the same. You feel me? You don't have to do that. What you can do is go out into the real world and find real world inspiration. Go to museums, go watch some old TV shows that people aren't watching anymore. Go watch old movies. Go into the city and see other people's fits. Go look at some magazines. There's plenty of places you can just source inspiration from. Like, go look at the colors of buildings. Go look at certain cars. Look at certain events where large groups of people used to gather at and look at and see what they used to wear. Like, there's just so many ways to source inspiration. It's so many ways to ultimately set yourself apart from everybody else. You just gotta be willing to look for it. You feel me? So, alright, lastly, what I want you guys to do. This is probably the easiest step, but you know, a lot of people are scared to do it. Test, fail, refine, evolve. Test, fail, refine, evolve. You test it, you test something new, something brand new. You never tried it before. You got your new spark of inspiration. Now attack that thought. It might fail. It might fail. 9 times out of 10, it's probably gonna fail. Go back and refine it. You know what I'm saying? Make it look good. See where you failed at. Okay, boom. That part look mid. Alright, let me do this to it. Let me do that to it. Boom, bam. Bada bing, boom, pow. Now you evolved. Now you evolved. See? Excuse me. But that's what it takes to grow your wardrobe. Not grow your wardrobe, but grow your style as a whole. Is to do that. Test certain things out. Fail at it a couple times, refine it, and then ultimately evolve as you go. But it takes the initial step of trying, and it takes the perseverance after you fail. You feel me? So that's pretty much all I got. Let me see if I have anything else written down. Oh, this is good for people that are like on the internet trying to post certain stuff and stuff like that, and it's just good for like real world stuff. But if you invest in staple pieces or necessity pieces, you feel me? If you just invest in like a good white tee or like a good black pair of slacks or a staple Dior jacket or like something that you know that you will wear all the time, like it just don't really matter. Like it's your favorite. It's something that you hold on to. It's something that you can't go without. Invest in those pieces, because that's also like the foundation of your style. You feel me? Those are kind of like the pieces that you're going to be building your fit around. Another thing, I have like 2 more, I'm not gonna lie. Another thing is understanding fabrics. I'm starting to do this, so that's why I added it to the list. I notice when it comes to pants and jeans and stuff like that, and it probably is like upper body pieces as well, but I'm more so noticing it with pants. As I'm starting to understand the fabrics and the weight of the pants that I'm wearing, I can create shapes out of the pants based on how it falls on the shoe and the weight, the material, and the length. You feel me? And me personally, I like pants that create a crinkle. I think crinkles look very cool. You feel me? I think crinkles, they allow me to create shapes with my pants, and I like that. So, and I think I mentioned this in another video, so don't be surprised if you hear me say it a couple more times in a couple more videos, you feel me? So, and then lastly, you want to accessorize. You don't have to accessorize. You can accessorize, but this is something that can elevate your style. It can set you apart. It can help you stand out. It's if you have good accessories, because there's so many accessories to choose from, and people have their own taste and preferences on accessories. Usually they can be worn multiple times, so usually people have their favorites that they consistently wear over and over and over again, and it can set you apart. Like, I know some people that have like certain type of earrings they wear, certain bracelets they always wear, watches, wallets, hats, glasses, like so many different types of accessories you can wear that can ultimately set you apart from everybody else. So I say invest in that, because those can also be foundational pieces, you feel me, that you just consistently wear, you feel me? But that's pretty much it right there. Once you identify your proportions, silhouettes, colors, where you source your inspo from, and really just the overall vibe of your style, like you found it. Like, you literally struck gold. Like, nobody can really touch you at that point, because finding your style is ultimately just knowing yourself and just trying new things when it comes to your style and what you like, you feel me, and exploring yourself. That's really all it is, for real. Yeah, but I hope this helps somebody find their style. I'm not gonna lie, because I know it's hard, and I know there's some people that really do need help finding their style. Like, I have friends that even ask me, like, bro, how would you suggest I find my style? Like, it's a lot of people getting into fashion and stuff like that, so I know there's some people that need some help. But y'all let me know, what was your favorite step on how to find your style? Just drop a comment and let me know. Also, if you like the video, go ahead and like the video and subscribe, you feel me? And that's pretty much the end of the video, man. It's your boy Akar Green signing out. I will see y'all boys in the next one. See y'all boys in the goddamn next one.